Ciao friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're going to start discussing about the chemistry for class 11th. This is your class 36 and we have to start with the unit, that is unit 12, that is organic chemistry, some basic principles and techniques. Before that we had to start with the P block element questions that you have to solve. So let's go for the same. So before starting with the same, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe so that many and maximum people can get the information at once. So the first question for that, you have to discuss the pattern of variations in the oxidation of state B to Ti and C, that carbon to Pb. The second question is, how can you explain higher stability of BCl3 as compared to TiCl3? Third is, why does boron trifluoride behave as a Lewis acid? Fourth is, consider the compounds BCl3 and CCl4. How will they behave with water? Justify. Fifth is boric acid a protic acid? Explain. Sixth is, explain what happens when boric acid is heated. Seventh question, describe the shapes of BF3 and BH4 minus. Assign the hybridization of boron in these species. The question 8 is your write a reaction to justify amphoteric nature of aluminium. The ninth question, what are the electron deficient compound? Are BCl3 and SiCl4 electron deficient species? Explain. 10th is, write the resonance structures of CO3 2 minus and SCO3 minus. 11th is, what is the state of hybridizations of carbon in CO3 2 minus and diamond and graphite? The 12th question is, explain the difference in properties of diamond and the graphite on the basis of their structure. 13th question is to rationalize the given statement and give chemical reaction. Lead chloride reacts with Cl2 to give PbCl4. Lead 4 chloride is highly unstable towards heat. Lead is known not to form an iodide PbI4. 14th question, suggest reason why the B and F bond lengths in PF3, which is 130 pm, and BF4 minus, which is 143 pm, differ. 15th question, if BCl bond has a dipole moment, explain why BCl3 molecule has zero dipole moment. 16th question, aluminium trifluoride is insoluble in anhydrous HF but dissolving on the additions of NaF. Aluminium trifluoride precipitate out the resulting solution when gaseous BF3 is bubbled through Gibbs-Reason. 17th question, suggest a reason as to why CO is poisonous. 18th is, how is an excessive content of CO2 responsible for global warming? 19th, explain structures of diborane and boric acid. 20th, what happens when borax is heated strongly? Boric acid is added to water. And another is, aluminium is treated with bad dilute NaOH, and the D is, BF3 is reacted with ammonia. 21 question, explain the following reaction. Silicon is heated with methyl chloride at a high temperature in the presence of copper. Second is, silicon dioxide is treated with hydrogen fluoride. C is, copper monoxide is heated with ZnO. D is, hydrated aluminum is treated with aqueous NaOH solution. The 28th is, give reason. Concentrated HNO3 key transported in aluminum container. Second is, a mixture of dilute NaOH and aluminum pieces is used to open the drain. Third is, graphite is used as lubricant. Fourth is, diamond is used as an abrasive. Fifth is, Aluminium alloys are used to make aircraft body. Sixth is aluminium utensils should not be kept in water overnight. Seventh is aluminium wire is used to make transmission cables. 23rd question. Explain why is there a phenomena decreases in ionization enthalpy from carbon to silicon. 24th question. How would you explain the low atomic radius of Ga as compound to aluminium? 25th is what are allotropes? Sketch the structures of two allotropes of carbon, namely diamond and graphite. What are the impact of the structures on physical property of the two allotropes? 26. Classify following oxide as neutral, acidic, basic or amphoteric. Carbon monoxide B2O3 SiO2 CO2 Al2O3 PbO2 Ti2O3. Second is write suitable chemical equations to show their nature. 27. In some of the reactions, thallium resembles aluminum, where in the others it resembles with group 1 metal. Support this statement by giving some evidence. 28. When metal X is treated with sodium hydroxide, a white precipitate is obtained which is soluble in excess of NaOH to give soluble complex B. Compound A is soluble in dilute HCl to form the compound C. The compound A, when heated strongly, gives G, which is used to extract metal. Identify X, A, B, C, and D. Write a suitable equation to support their identities. That is the question. Now we have to go for the another one. What do you understand by inert pair effect and allotropy and catenation? The another is a certain salt X gives the following result. The first is aqueous solution in alkaline to litmus. Second is it swells up to the glassy material Y on strong heating. Third is when concentrated H2SO4 is added to a hot solution of X while crystal of an acid Z appears out. The another is write an equation for the above reaction and identify X, Y, Z. Now we go for another one. Write a balanced equation for BF3 LiH B2S6 plus H2O NaH plus B2S6 H3BO3 in the presence of heat Al plus NaOH B2S6 plus NH3. The another one, give one method for industrial preparation of one for the laboratory preparation of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide each. The 33rd question, an aqueous solutions of borax is neutral, amphoteric, basic and acidic. 34th is boric acid is a polymeric due to its acidic nature, the presence of hydrogen bond. Its molecular nature is geometry. The 35th is the type of hybridization of the boron in diborane is sp, sp2, sp3, dsp2. The 36th question, thermodynamically the most stable form of carbon is diamond, fluorine, graphite and gold. Element of the group 14 exhibit oxidation state +4 only, exhibit oxidation state of +2 and +4, form M2 minus and M4 plus ions, form M2 plus and M4 plus ions. 38th question, if the starting material of the manufacture of silicon is RSiCl3, write the structure of the product form. That is the question. So now we're gonna end up here itself. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on a comment box. Thank you.